Every great design starts with a raw, unfinished part. First, we measure the initial surface roughness to set a baseline. Next, the part is easily loaded into our electroform machine, ready to be polished. Our intuitive AI-powered system lets you select the material and the precise surface finish you need, ensuring consistency and precision. The part is then submerged into our acid-free electrolyte, where optimized fluid dynamics do the heavy lifting. In just a few minutes, the surface is transformed, clean, smooth, and ready for final inspection. Finally, we recheck the surface finish to confirm the quality, ensuring it meets the highest standards. It really is that easy. Electroform, the faster, cleaner, and greener post-processing solution.